Hey people, Pranksaman here. This video is going to be about parts inspection. I call it ringing the bell. You're basically using sound waves to seek out hairline cracks. When I get back, I'll have the parts all set up and I'll show you how to do it.
Okay, I'm back. I got the engine parts laid out. Cylinder block, got the piston rod, the piston, and the cylinder head over here. What you do is you take a steel rod and you tap on the part. Hear the ringing? Sounds like a cowbell. Anywhere you tap on the part, you're actually checking the whole part. Even though you're tapping here, vibrations are going all through the part. So if you're tapping here and if you have a crack here, it's going to absorb it. It won't be as loud, and when you get closer to it, it'll sound like a thug. Anywhere you tap, it rings. So that engine block's good. I also have an example of a bad engine block. This engine block had a blown piston rod in it. I repaired it with JB Weld, but it's a good example of a bad engine block. When you tap on it, see how it doesn't ring? It does a little bit, but it's not as loud as this one. See the difference in the tone? That's what it sounds like when you have a bad part. You can also check the cylinder head and the piston rod. The piston rod's real light and real small. It's not going to be as loud, but it's still the same method. Now if that JB Weld wasn't on there, when you tap on it, you could actually find out where the crack is by listening to it. I'll set the camera down and I'll do the cylinder head and the piston rod.
Pretty much want to hold the part up with your fingertips. Try not to hold as much of the part as possible, and just tap on it. Hear the ringing? That's a good part. Now, piston rod's kind of tricky. It's real light and real small, but you can still hear it. You can still hear the ringing. Use the flat part of the file and tap on it. Hear the ringing. Now if it had a crack anywhere in it, it wouldn't even make a ringing noise. It would be a dull thunk. For some reason, pistons don't do it as good. But it's still a solid noise. That's what a piston's going to sound like. If it had a crack in it, you would know when you tap on it that it's bad. But this one's good. That's a solid sound. There's no cracks in it. So that's how you ring the bell. Pretty easy method. It doesn't cost anything. Just takes a little know-how. Another do-it-yourself know-how on finding good parts. This is Pranksaman. Have any questions? Leave a comment. Rate it. Subscribe. Thank you. Bye.